Hi guys, and welcome to the Work From Home channel and part 5 of the job search site series. And today we're going to be talking about Glassdoor. Glassdoor is primarily known for providing anonymous job reviews. So by having access to these reviews, it can help one to determine if they'd like to work for a company before applying. From my experience when looking at company reviews, it is better to have an account set up to view them, otherwise your results will be very limited. Of course, it is free to use. There is an app as well for this. It allows you to narrow your results when searching, just like other job sites. It allows you to create the alerts for jobs, and the easy apply means the job app is completely located on the site. If you do not see this, then of course you would be directed to the company website to apply. So stick around and stay tuned, and let's get right on into it. So in order to get to Glassdoor.com, you just type in Glassdoor.com. And it will open up to a page that looks like this. And here you can see the logo, find a job for employers. You can post jobs here, find the job that fits your lifestyle, and basically this is asking you to sign in or to create an account. So let's start by clicking on find a job. So basically whenever you click on this, it's going to ask you to register to unlock Glassdoor, to where you can read the reviews, compare salaries, prepare for interviews, kind of things like that. After setting up the account, you will actually get a pop-up that says, "Thank you for joining the Glassdoor community." So here it says, "Please enjoy 24 hours of access to our entire site." After that, we just ask that you share your own company review or salary to maintain access and become an unlimited member for 12 months. Over here, you have the tab for jobs where you can look for career insights, look at your recent activity. You can sign up for job alerts, applications, and then they're saved. Here you can look at the companies where it says discover companies, compare companies, suggested follows, or write a review. Salaries, discover salaries, of course. Salary calculator, analyze offer, add a salary, and then of course discover interviews and find out what companies they're looking for. So as you can see, I have a profile here. I can add my job title and add a location. I can also upload my resume here, and then I would just go ahead and finish my profile. So job searching, again, very, very simple. You just type in what you're looking for. As far as jobs, you can actually change the drop down here from jobs to companies, salaries, or interviews. And then of course you would put in your location here. So what I like to do is just start out here. So clicking on the jobs tab, it will bring you to a page like this, and it will of course list different options. This is actually set for customer service reps in Texas. You can see all the jobs. You can create the job alert by clicking right there. So let's go ahead and let's see all jobs, just to kind of give you an idea of what it does actually look like here. So it'll ask you to create your profile to get personalized job recommendations. You can create that profile again, but for now I'm just going to kind of hold off on that. So the first option that you see here would be with Teleperformance, customer service representative, inbound and outbound internet repair services. Okay, as you can see, it lists the location. It gives you your per hour. It'll give you the option to easy apply. And then of course you have the option to save that. Over here, it will give you a company overview. It'll describe your expectations and your responsibilities, what they look for, what we prefer as far as that goes. You can also click here to see the salary. And as you can see, the salaries are listed here. You can click on the company info and it will give you an overview again of how many employees, when it was founded, revenue, kind of things like that. It'll give you the option to look at all photos as well. Ratings. It'll tell you how many people actually would recommend this to a friend. Also, it will give you insight from the employees that are currently working there or past employees on whether or not they approve of the CO. And down here you can see ratings and trends. So here, it'll give the culture and values, diversity and inclusion, work-life balance, senior management, career opportunities, things like that. Reviews. So here it will give you the date that they were posted. It will say the job title that this current employee holds, their accounts payable, and then it will give the pros and cons on what they have seen or what they have dealt with when working with this. And then of course benefits. So benefits, this will actually give you the employee benefit reviews and let you know about vacation and time paid off, job training, And down here, it will actually give you more additional information on those benefits. And here, of course, you can see all benefits. So of course you can do easy apply, fill out this information, add your cover letter, choose your resume, and then you would just hit continue on that. You have the option to save from here as well for any job search that you have searched for. And then here it'll give you the option to flag the content or flag the job, hide the job, or share the job here. And then of course create the job alert. So Glassdoor, it does have a lot of benefits. I absolutely love this site because it allows me to actually see the reviews from current and past employees. And I like that because it helps me to determine if it would be a good fit for me. So if you want to continue on with your job search, you can narrow results down by the type, the posted date, the compensation that you are looking for. It will give you the option to change the distance, and then here, of course, it will give you more options. So all cities, ratings, industries, it will allow you to narrow those results by that as well. You can do easy apply only, to where you can apply just with your resume right on the actual website. And then of course you have the option here where you can see work from home only that you can select. And then last, of course, you can see all of your notifications here where you've created the job alerts, you've saved jobs, kind of things like that. So of course, everything that I have covered today is not all inclusive. There are other options and things that you can do on the website. If you have any tips or tricks or see anything or would like to recommend something that I have not covered today, please feel free to leave your comment below. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications. And as always, happy job hunting.